Hey guys, I just came outside again to try to clear a little bit of ground for food so he wouldn't be so deep in the snow, and I just happened to look up. It's all along the roof. Like over there, it's hanging up almost over 3 feet. Wow. Just outside with the dogs. And it's just snow. Snow, 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 snow everywhere. Going off the house. Really fine. It's been snowing really fine here ever since it started, but it's really hard to tell right here. But on the other side of the house, you can see it probably 5 to 6 inches. Like that barrel there, it's like 18 inches tall. But then over at the bucket, it's not. We'll be right back.